Might we talk about might? Understanding probability in English. Hello, language learners. Today, we're venturing into the fascinating world of modal verbs. Specifically, we're going to explore how we use the modal verb, might, to talk about probability. This little word is mighty powerful when it comes to expressing uncertainty, possibility, or probability. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Might is a modal verb we commonly use to indicate a possibility or probability. It's used when we aren't certain about the outcome of an event, but there is a chance it could happen. Think of it as a language tool that lets you predict the future, but with a sprinkle of doubt. For example, I might go to the party tonight. This sentence implies that there is a possibility of you going to the party, but it's not a sure thing. Might is quite versatile and can be used in different contexts to express varying degrees of probability. Let's take a look at a few examples. Predicting the weather. It might rain later today. You're suggesting there is a possibility of rain, but you're not entirely sure. In decision-making, I might buy that book. You're considering buying the book, but you haven't made a final decision yet. Remember, might is used in the base form of the verb. For example, in the sentence, it might rain, rain is in its base form. Might can also be used in its negative form, might not, to express doubt or to politely refuse something. For example, she might not come to the party. This means there's a possibility she won't come. Additionally, might is used in questions when you want to ask about possibility. For example, might it rain today? Here, you're asking about the chance of it raining. Well, there you have it, folks. That's how we use the modal verb, might, to talk about probability in English. Remember, it's all about expressing possibility, not certainty. Keep practicing with might, and soon, it might just become second nature to you. I hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, keep learning and happy practicing. Disclaimer: the use of might can vary in different types of English, British, American, etc., and context is important when interpreting its meaning.